Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Nightmare on Elm Street Freddy Krueger. This is from the Dream Master. And this is pretty much the end of the movie where he dies again. So close up on the box there. Pretty ordinary packaging on the sides and the front. Nothing special there. You get a close up with this guy. He looks really disgusting. With the detail on the shirt. I'm just too anxious. He looks really disgusting, so let's get him out of there and have a look. I don't know about you guys, but one of the best things for me when unboxing a figure is the smell. Can't beat the smell of a brand new figure. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's just finish and get him out of here. By the way guys, this toy is from NECA. They make pretty quality toys for a decent price. So I almost got him out of there. Okay. Try to get his legs right so we can stand him up and have a look. He doesn't appear to want to stand up. There we go. Look at the detail on that. There you got the disgusting souls trapped in there trying to get out. Here's a fully posable ball and socket. You can even move those other way and put the arm up if you want it. I don't want to. Got his little mate up here. Doesn't do much. All this stuff is fully posable. The attention to detail is just incredible, as you can see. Still got the claw on there. His trousers, the creases. It's just quality work, quality paint work. You can't get much better than that. And this is a figure that's going to stand out in my collection, that's for sure. Alright guys, that completes the unboxing of the Freddy Krueger.